Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
New York, WABC. The traditional Macy's 4th of July fireworks show will return to New York City this year after the pandemic forced changes to the celebration in 2020. The fireworks will be launched from 5 barges in the East River starting at 9:25 p.m. on July 4.59 minutes ago.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Nothing to do with Macy's, but Coney Island is also back at the Blasting Explosives game with the triumphant return of the Steeplechase Spectacular 4th of July fireworks show, which can be seen from anywhere along the boardwalk between West 10th to West 23rd Streets, which is basically from the Cyclone to the Childs.
Let's help you make your mark.
An annual unforgettable highlight of the summer, Macy's put on abbreviated surprise shows in 2020 but returns in a big way this Independence Day. On Sunday, July 4, 2021, fireworks will explode in the sky over the East River in Midtown Manhattan, with more than 65,000 shells lighting up the night sky.
Take our lead.
Macy's 4th of July fireworks spectacular. Performers: Blake Shelton, Black Pumas, Coldplay, Reba McEntire and OneRepublic are scheduled to take the stage, and the Jonas Brothers will perform a medley of their hits along with special guest Marshmello.
Let's help you make your mark.
Here are our selections for the top 5 July 4th fireworks displays around the country. Macy's 4th of July fireworks. Macy's 4th of July fireworks. Boston Pops fireworks. Boston Pops concert fireworks spectacular. Wah Wah Welcome America. Wah Wah Welcome America. Capitol 4th concert on DC's National Mall. Freedom over Texas.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.